pretend like I want to be here. So, class.
Yes.
Thank you. Wow. So excited. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right, so we are continuing with yesterday. This is problem B that we did not get to. So I will start there. So e to the inverse sine x equals. All right, so looking at this thing, you're like, what the hell? What are you going to do with this? You're going to what? Chain rule, or what else can I do? Come on, soldier boy. You! Come on. Yeah, you sub. All right, anyway. So u is going to be my inverse sine of x. U prime is going to be, there we go, like that. So come off over here, and then I should say e to the u. So the derivative of e to the u is going to be e to the u times u prime. So that's going to be e. My u value is going to be inverse sine of x times my u prime, which is going to be my 1 over Now, if I were to put those together, that whole e to the inverse sine, that would go to the top of my fraction. All right, we okay? I hope so. Let's see. Next one. Ooh. Okay. Derivative of inverse tan x is going to be 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x squared. So it's important to identify which one we're actually working with and where everything goes for this. And you do have a reference sheet in the back. I think it actually has them all on there. Like one of the last slides. Okay. So if you do get lost, you can just go through that. All right, so let's see, next one. So right here, inverse tan of 4x. All right, soldier boy, what am I doing here? U. All right, so let's do A right here. So we're going to say that U is equal to my 4x. U prime is 4. Let's rewrite it. Y equals inverse tan of U. Y prime is going to be 1 over 1 plus u squared times u prime. I don't know, I think my pen's running out of ink here. That's why it's getting all wonky. And then let's go ahead and put that back. Y prime is equal to 1 over 1 plus my u, which is, in parentheses, 4x close square times 4. So to clean up my answer, it's going to look like 4 over 1 plus 16x squared. Alright, let's go. So, next one. This one right here, someone Googled Google. What's that movie? Inception? We got Inception of this one. Inverse sine of inverse tan. No? Not funny? Damn it. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and we're going to say my u is that inverse tan. U prime is going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. Y equals inverse sine of u. Y prime is equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared times u prime. And let's go through and put it back. So I get y prime is equal to 1 over the square, come on now, come on. You can do it right there. Square root of 1 minus parentheses inverse tangent of x squared times u prime, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So it looks pretty ugly, doesn't it? Let's see if they cleaned it up in the book. Okay. Like, what the hell? I'm looking at the notes. Yeah, in the notes, this is not there. So in your guys' notes it's there, but in the book it's not. I'm like, what the hell?
Wait, what?
It's fine.
Wait, what?
I'm looking at the thing in the book to see if they cleaned it up. The sign's a regular sign. Oh man. Okay, because that's just ugly looking, but guess what? That's the answer to my question. Is it it? Okay, let's see. Ooh, this one right here. Inverse secant. There we go. So, we're going to use this one right here. And the domain restriction on this is x has to be greater than 1. So absolute value of it, because when we square whatever the x is, it's going to be positive anyway. But it still has to be greater than 1 because we can't have a 0 down there in the denominator. Alright, so looking at this. And then here's all of them here. Derivative of cosine. So cosine is right here. Pay close attention to that because my sine was a positive, wasn't it? Sine's a positive, cosine's a negative. Cotangent is a negative of what the tangent was. And cosecant is also the negative of what the secant was. So we should be good. Make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel. Buy stuff from my merch store. Because my merch store is closing down in December. I know. I got to get a new merch store. No one's buying anything from me because it's too expensive.